So, ayan, nag-check-in na ako dyan. Umalis kami sa aming bahay ng 9 a.m. Dumating kami sa Naiya around 11 a.m. We're from Dasmariñas, Cavite. And ang flight namin dyan ay around 1 p.m. pa. Ayan, naglalakad na po ako papunta sa aming gate. And boarding na.
Boarding si Chloe. At si Mami. Chloe. Hi.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go! Thank you! Let's go!
We're here at PTX. PIDX. Chloe. Where are we? Chloe, where are we, Chloe? Wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus. Go round, go round. Wow, wow, wow.
Hinaan mo nga yan.
Bye-bye. Ingat na lang po sa pagbabas. Yes,
Let's go!
bye-bye. Daan-daan, umawa kayo ha. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go!
Pakita mo sa kanya yung aeroplano. Sabi, oh, look at the plane, oh. So big. So big. So big. Hi, hi.
Hindi kaya. Mas kumakanta po dito. Joey! Prince Justin daw tayo. Sino yun? Prince Justin.
VIPC. VIPC. Batang Disney. Disney Princess. Chloe.
So, dumating na kami dito sa aming hotel, sa Julius Boracay Italian Resort. Nakuha ko to sa Agoda in a cheaper price with breakfast. I will rate this hotel 9 out of 10. Lovey, we're here at our hotel. Joey! Wow, buti malapit na. That's good. Wow! A room tour! Come on, come here. I see you. Close the door. Okay. Salamin. Our tables and the beddings.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo,
I see you.
Let's see the CR. Wow, pwede na. Ah, meron pa pala. O, shower. Pwede na. Pwede na. 4 days, 3 nights for only 4,800. Ooh! Ooh, baby! Wow! 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 Chloe! You're here at Boracay Island! Wow! Wow! It's already 5:30 in the afternoon. Wow! Chloe, wow! Chloe! Chloe, look! The white sun! Are you ready to get tan? Chloe?
Where are we? Where are you?
Whoa!
Weather is so fine. Look at the fish go.
My baby is in Boracay! So, ito na nga yung aming first day. Naglakad-lakad na lang kami dyan dahil dumating kami sa hotel around 4 p.m. na medyo pagod. Kaya, nagpahinga muna. Hindi na kami naligo. Last 2022, nandito rin kami ng asawa ko dahil Boracay is our honeymoon destination. Kaya kung tatanungin niyo ako kung mahirap ba mag-travel with a kid, oo, mahirap, pero masaya. Lalo na kapag nakita mong masaya sila.
My baby Chloe!